I'm meteorologist Scott Larson with a look at your forecast. It was a pretty cold weekend throughout Siouxland, seeing those high temperatures only in the single digits on Sunday. It's actually going to be even colder as we travel through our Monday and into Tuesday. We have a wind chill warning that's in effect until 6 a.m. on Tuesday. That's for pretty much all of Siouxland, as you can see in that blue shading. And we could see our wind chills fall between 30 and 50 degrees below zero. So with that in mind, make sure that you're staying inside if possible, but wear multiple layers if you are headed outside. Avoid any kind of skin exposure too. Cover up everything, gloves, hats, and extra layers. Definitely a good idea. Make sure that you're mindful of your pets too. Only take them outside for a short amount of time and keep them inside as much as you can. Here's our Stormcast HD. So we have Arctic high pressure in place that's going to keep those temperatures on the chilly side as we go through Monday, to say the least. We're going to have some really strong winds too out of the north and west between 20 and 30 miles per hour, even gusting up to 40. Then some clouds start to move in here on Tuesday, indicative of a warm front that'll pass through. Very gradual warming as we go through the rest of the week. Highs in the teens on Tuesday and Wednesday, up into the 20s on Thursday, and even warmer as we get into the weekend. But until then, it's going to stay very cold. Here's our wind chill forecast, and you'll see tomorrow we're looking for those wind chills to fall possibly down to as low as about 60 degrees below zero up around Sheldon and Spencer, to the northwestern corner of Iowa, the focus for that coldest air. It's not really going to be much better to the south and the west, though. 45 below zero in Sioux City for that feels-like temperature in the morning hours, only improving to about 30 below by the time that we get into the afternoon. Then you'll see that we start to gradually warm up as we get into Tuesday. 17 below zero for that feels-like temperature on Tuesday morning. So we do get a little bit of relief as we go through the day on Tuesday at least, but until then, extremely cold conditions. 16 below for our low temperature tonight with mostly cloudy conditions, windy and cold. A high of just 5 below zero for our Monday. Dangerously cold with those wind chills near 50 below zero. Here's our 10-day forecast. Then we can expect to see some warmer temperatures as we get into the weekend. Highs in the 30s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Another cold front will slip through on Monday, bringing our highs back down into the 20s.